So one of the interesting things at Learning Technologies, George, was that we came across lots and lots of content, right? We had content libraries that you could subscribe to, that you could pay for. Then they had many subjects there. What were some of the things that struck you about the content libraries there, George?
The main thing that I took away was there is an enormous amount of content. You can create your own content, and that takes a lot of effort. Learning and development departments of the future are most likely to have green screens and production facilities, and that takes a long time. The content libraries make it easier to find video, text,
images, abstracts.
Yeah.
You know, we came across a lot of, I think, leadership and management libraries, for example.
Safety libraries.
Safety libraries.
Yeah, but there are other sources of content. You know, for example, we've got the Udemy's and the
Coursera's of the world.
Yeah, Coursera's. What's the MOOC? What does that stand for?
Massive open online courses, right?
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. And there was another source of content which is internally generated content. There are two forms, in fact. One is, we've found becoming increasingly popular and effective, is when you get internal experts, subject matter experts. Let's say someone is an effective leader or a salesperson, and there is an internal webinar, and it might be for 45 minutes. But our research says that organisations and people find this extremely engaging and useful.
Yeah.
Our experts talking to
highly
each other.
contextualized within an organisation.
Yeah. And the other one is this big word, user-generated content, is where people are engaging in learning programs, and they're actually videoing themselves and saying, "Hey, listen, this is how I've done this," or they're sharing information. That's user-generated content. Yeah.
It's quite a lot of what we call social learning going
Yeah.
around with these platforms and these apps that can generate content really easily from that point of view.
Yeah. So it's much more than generating your own content. There's no shortage of content out there. As we all see, Lewis, the critical part is overcoming brain overload and being able to curate the content.
Yeah. Yeah.